Hey beautiful people, welcome back again to the channel. Without further ado, let's dive right into this video. If you're making liquid soap at home for personal or for commercial purposes, this video is a must watch for you. I'm going to show you exactly how to test and adjust the pH level of your liquid soap to make it skin safe and effective. Welcome back, guys. Have you ever made a liquid soap that felt too harsh or irritating on the skin? That's usually a pH problem. The pH level of your soap affects how gentle it is on your skin. Normally, you want to have your liquid soap or your shower gel to have pH between 6 and 7. Anything above 8 can be too harsh on the skin, and anything below 7 might not clean the skin effectively. So it's proper to check the pH of your soap anytime you finish making your soap. To test the pH, you will need either pH test strips or a digital pH meter. For this video, I'm going to be using pH test strips. Here is a pH test strip. I'll be using it to check the pH of this soap. And before you check the pH of your soap, you have to allow the soap to stay for 24 hours to 48 hours before you check the pH of the soap for you to get the proper pH of that soap. So I'm going to be using the pH strip to dip into the soap, and there is going to be a color change on the pH strip. So you get the pH scale to match the color on the strip to the pH scale. Wherever the color falls on is the pH of that soap. You can see this one right here falls under 8. The color of the strip matches the number 8 pH level. So showing that this soap has a pH of 8, which means that this soap is likely to be harsh on the skin. So to bring down the pH of 8 to the pH of 6 to 7, which will be okay for the skin, we'll have to reduce the pH of this soap by using citric acid. Here what I have here is citric acid, and I'm going to use this citric acid to reduce the pH of this soap to the level that it will be suitable for the skin. And you just need small amount of citric acid to reduce the pH. So I'm using 2 grams. I'm here measuring out 2 grams of citric acid. Here is 2 grams, and I'm adding into the soup. After adding, you stir very well to mix in the citric acid very well into the soup. After mixing in, you have to test the pH for the second time to check if it has adjusted properly. Mind you, in this case, we are trying to reduce the pH of this soap. But in a case where you need to increase the pH of the soap, you have to use boric acid to increase the pH of the soap. Here, I'm done mixing the citric acid into the soap, so I'm going to be testing the pH for the second time. So guys, this is what happened here. After testing the pH for the second time, you can see the pH just adjusted to the pH level 6, which is very okay for the skin. The soap has the pH of 6 right now. It reduced from 8 to 6, and 6 pH, 6 to 7 is very okay for your soap. So right now this soap will be very perfect on the skin. This soap is not going to irritate your skin. This soap is not going to be harsh on your skin. This soap will be very gentle and mild on the skin because it has a correct pH level. And that's it. Adjusting pH level of soap is very simple once you know the process. If you're making soap at home or you want to go into soap making business, these are the procedures and process you need to indulge in to for you not to have bad reviews from your products. If you do all of this diligence, you're not going to have bad review from your customers. So after doing all of this, the next thing to do is to bottle up your products and get them ready for use or for sale, whichever one you are into. All right guys, if you find this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up, send in your comments, share this video to whoever may be needing it, and do not forget to turn on your notification bell for other beneficial videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye guys.